Hi friends, how are you? This is continuation to the first part 2 video. Earlier I discussed about the part 1. This is continuation to the part 2. Okay. As part 1 video I discussed about the haplogroup and its types and classification and history. Okay. This is further continuation to the haplogroup. Uh, so, yeah. Today I will discussing about the topic. I will discussing about the topic haplogroup R1A. Okay, R1A is descended from the R. Okay, R1A has R1A, R1B. Second one is R1B. R1A, R1B. R1A and R1B have a fascinating details and history and population. Okay, what is the R1A? R1A is the haplogroup. Okay, descended from the haplogroup R. Okay, it is a patrilineal haplogroup, not matrilineal, male lineage haplogroup. Patrilineal haplogroup. You can see this haplogroup R1A will have higher concentrations are more prevalent in Indian populations, especially compared to the world. India have higher level of concentrations of R1A is there in our country, India. Where you can find this lineages, you can observe more R1A lineages in North India, especially Punjab, Haryana, West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Gujarat, Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand. Okay, this is the north. You can observe more genetic R1A lineages in North India compared to the South India. South India also less number of less prevalence in Southern India R1A, but also their significant count compared to the North India. Okay, this R1A lineage is likely to be originated in the Indian subcontinent. These lineages are started from India and spread to the other world, especially Europe. Europe, you can say Eastern Europe, like Russia, Ukraine, Belarus, Poland, Czech Republic, Hungary, Slovakia, Slovenia, etc. These what I am say, these countries will you find more number of genetic lineages of R1A in this particular in these countries. Okay, compared to the Western Europe. Western Europe you can observe R1B, not R1A, R1B. R1A also there, but is less prevalent. Okay, R1A is Indo-European lineage, Indo-European people lineage, or Aryan tribals lineage. Means that R1A is originated in India, and the people can carry this lineage and spread to the Europe and spreads the Europe, like Eastern Europe, Western Europe. Let's see. Okay, this time Indo-European languages also originated in India and spread to the Europe. This is the fact. Okay, many of the historians or Western historians and mainstream academia didn't agree that India discredit to the India these Europeans. Okay, is likely to be originated in India of R1A and Indo-European languages. Aryans also indigenous to the India. Okay, carry R1A and culture languages from India to the Europe and Central Asia. Okay, this is the one. Next, R1B also Yamnaya culture, Yamnaya people also R1B. High prevalence of R1B is there in Yamnaya genetics. That's why Yamnaya was spread from India. Yamnaya was spread from Yamnaya people also indigenous to India because of the culture, religions, uh, religion, culture, languages were deeply similar to the closely related to the India. These people also uh, originate, start from India and travel across to the Europe through Central Asia like Uzbekistan, Kazakhstan, Tajikistan, okay, Mongolia, this route, okay, and spread our Hinduism, spread our culture, religion, languages, okay. This is the fact. Next one, haplogroup F is mainly taught. This is the most important haplogroup that changed the Indian old history. Sorry, that changed the history of mankind, humankind. Okay. Why I am saying this one is out of haplogroup F and its subclass have found approximately 90% of world population. This haplogroup. I am talking about not world, only an entire world. But I am excluding Africa. I am not including Africa. I am saying rest of the world. Okay, not Africa. Rest of the world have 90% of haplogroup F and its subclass. Humans have 90% of haplogroup F and its subclass. Okay, according to the recent genetic discoveries. If I saying any wrong, you can Google it and you can see. Okay. What is about Africa? Why there is no such genetic lineages in African people? Why? Because Africa have more genetic having haplogroup A, B, C, L. This is the genetic lineages have morely E. Haplogroup E also there in Africa. No, just the F and the subclass mostly. So what is sub-Saharan Africa? Sub-Saharan Africa is the that lies the south of the sub-Saharan Africa is a region that lies the south of the Sahara Desert, not North Africa. Sub-Saharan Africa means Central Africa, East Africa, West Africa, South Africa. This region is called Sub-Saharan Africa, not including North Africa. North Africa is different from Sub-Saharan Africa. Okay, North Africa also there significant and reasonably high prevalence of haplogroup F and subclass. That's why not included North Africa to the Sub-Saharan Africa. Outside of Sub-Saharan Africa, you can find outside of Sub-Saharan Africa you can find 90% of haplogroup F and subclass. This is non-African males. What I am saying is patrilineal male lineages. Okay, this is the one. This means one fact. This haplogroup F and subclass is likely to be originated in the Indian subcontinent. It started in Indian subcontinent from a single. These are descendant from the single man who lived in the 65 to 55,000 years from before today. This is the fact. This single male can give to the other. This man will lead to the all males haplogroups. Okay, this is the one. This means that what all haplogroup F means what GH subclass I'm saying GHIJKLM and OPQR. This is the one. There are so many lineages. I'm saying fewer one. This means what all Europeans, Mongolians, Chinese, Kazakhs, North American, South American, Australians, you all descendant from the Indian man. One single man gave to the all people from through the genetics. Okay, this is the haplogroup. If you like this video, please share, like, share, subscribe, and comment to the channel. In next video, I will discuss about the chromosomes. Okay. Until then, goodbye.